This guide takes a quick look at the Heelside Backflip. During this trick, you keep the kite parked by centering your front hand on the bar. When learning, you should park the kite higher, which allows you to do the trick with less speed and less pop. As you improve, you park the kite lower. You then need more speed, more pop, and a more aggressive rotation. And, of course, this will hurt much more if you crash it. Let's walk through the trick. Aim crosswind or slightly downwind to build speed. Center your front hand on the bar to park the kite. Carve hard upwind. Do this with your body low and compact. Your upper body should be hunched forwards. As tension builds, launch the trick. Kick down very hard on the board, pushing slightly more firmly on the back foot. At the same time, explosively extend your body upwards. Launch your head and shoulders back as if doing a backflip. You should then pop off the water rotating. Contract your body if you need to speed up the rotation. Land with the board flat, aiming slightly downwind. Let's look at that riding the other way. Center the front hand. Ride slightly downwind to build speed. Carve hard upwind with your upper body crunched down. Stomp down hard on the board to launch, while also extending your upper body to rotate and gain height. Pulling in the bar will also help you launch. As mentioned, this is much easier with the kite parked higher. It's also much easier to pop if you have a small bit of chop to launch from rather than flat water. Interestingly, even though this is a backflip-like motion, this trick is in fact a type of front roll. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or trick requests, please let me know in the comments.